So what you can also do is you can go ahead and then get help with negotiation using Qwen. Let's say, for example, you want to negotiate your pay and then you don't know how to start. In that case, you can say, I have been working as a graphics designer for 2 years in a company and I want to ask for a raise. How do I start? So if I were to go ahead and say this and ask this to Qwen, then it says it's great to hear that you have gained 2 years of experience, and it says before you actually ask, prepare right here. So it says review your contributions right here and do a research of market rates. Then it says choose a right time and plan what to say right here. And it says during the meeting be confident and not demanding, as you can see right here. Consider alternatives if the raise is not possible now, like extra vacation days, remote work flexibility, and professional development funds, or maybe a title change or more responsibility, as you can see as well, and follow-ups as well. So now if you want a proper plan, you can see that this is what you have right here. So let's say because of my contributions, the social media post has over let's say, for example, 1 million likes right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and, let's say, for example, give out content over here as well, and it says that's a great achievement, and then simply goes ahead and lets you know the potential right here, just like this, as you can see. So it says if you're speaking in person or over a call, you can see that this is what you have and this is for the email, and it'll help you out with the negotiations just like this as well. And that is how you can go ahead and get help with negotiation inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.